I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Reaper Flame Remix.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car, raced like the jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Stop loving my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. And no matter what you say, marry that girl. We'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude?
1, 2, 3, Reaper Flame Remix. Reaper Flame
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed, put on my best